Here we are room 305. Let's do it. We did not get the beachfront, so we're probably just gonna be looking at nothing that way on the island. I think the beach is that way. Parking, $18 a day, kind of expensive. Breakfast, not included. Breakfast buffet is $20 a person, if you guys are curious in that. Let's get up to the room and check it out. All right, here's the room, guys. We already took a look at it, honestly. But let's do it again for you guys on the interwebs. Here we go. Way nicer than the surf and freaking sand, guys. So here we got the bathroom. We got the sink. We got the 2 queen. We got the shower over here. Pretty freaking cool. Everything is really clean. I'm a big time clean freak, guys. So this is making me feel better. The surf and sand in Pensacola, where we just came from, the floor was kind of dirty, stuff was kind of dirty, and that just drives me nuts. We got a single sink right here, full-size toilet. The one at the surf and sand did not flush very good. This one doesn't flush good either. It didn't even flush. I guess you gotta hold it down, but it is what it is. Here we go. We got a palm tree painting. Pretty sure that's a queen palm. Got some energy because of all this coffee. We got a little coffee maker, little salad bar right here. And then we got the microwave. Then mini fridge. This one's kind of tiny, but you can fit a couple beers or something in there if you need to before you go down to the beach. Then we got 2 queen beds. That we honestly would rather have the king because it's just us two. But this was just a cheaper rate. It was cheaper by like $10 or $20 a day. So that's why we did this. Not exactly sure how much it was a night when we booked it. I booked this all through Capital One Travel. And then I had them price match it to some real hokey like long stay discounts or Trivago website or something, since they do that. Now, guys, we also got the closet over here. If we want to take a look at this closet. There it is, guys. You got some spot for a thing in there for some clothes. Let's check out the outside. All right, here is the outside, guys. I came in here the first time and my girlfriend didn't say anything. She let me almost bust my ass on this right here. Yeah, but she didn't tell me. She didn't tell me nothing. Can you believe that, guys? All right, so we don't have the beachside view, but this is honestly fine with us, especially to save some money. So check it out, guys. We can see the Courtyard by Marriott logo right there. The beach is to the right. It is that way on the other side of that right there. So we'll be hitting that up for sure tomorrow. Let's go back inside without busting my butt. I don't know why this step is so big right here, but we are starving. We're gonna go get something to eat. I'll show you guys where we end up going, but we're just gonna do something easy. We're just gonna do something easy, something chill, because we're tired from driving all day. Right now, I don't look super tired just because I drank a coffee. But in about an hour or two, when the caffeine wears off, I'm gonna be falling asleep, probably right here, because I'm sleeping by the window. I get the window side. And they also have all of this information, guys, on the TV, which is kind of cool. Safety and security. Wow, that is helpful. Thank you guys for that. TV, guys. We're going? Did I start too early? Okay. We were playing around with the TV. It is now off. Let's try out the bed. We're gonna end up using this one. Unless my girlfriend doesn't like me, I'll end up over there. But hopefully not. Let's try it out. Won't be putting the shoes. Just to be clean. Pretty nice, guys. It's a little bit firmer, which I like because I'll have back pain if it's not firmer. I would say it's like medium firmness. My bed at home is a medium firm, or it's a firm. My bed at home is a firm. This is a medium, so less than the firm. That's gonna be it. We'll see you guys for dinner. Here's the room one more time, guys. Pretty nice. Everything you need. And I'm gonna figure out exactly how much we paid for it, to be honest, because I don't remember exactly how much a night it was. I don't think it was terrible though. I think it was like somewhere in the hundreds, something like that. But I promise I'll figure out what we paid for it and tell you guys in a little bit. Here's the bathroom one more time, guys, in case you are curious. And there I am, starting to look tired, guys. It's getting late. We did not want to get into Jacksonville this late, but it is what it is. Here's the toilet that still does not flush for some reason. They even have these little things. It's kind of a nice touch right there, how they got this little nub thing on the toilet. I don't know if that's the best way to explain it, but there is the shower. They also have soap. I'm going to be using my own though. Definitely clean, high attention to detail, which honestly I would expect out of a Marriott, but it's nice. It's really clean, looks good, and we haven't had any problems. The air is cold. The room is not soaking like it was at Margaritaville last year, so that's nice. Let's do it. Get the luggage. Our room is somewhere up there on the 1, 2, 3rd floor right there. We think it's that one, honestly, right there. All right, everybody, we're at the Courtyard Marriott. We got to get the luggage out. I packed it in at the surf and sand earlier, so I guess I got to get it out. Even though my girlfriend packs heavy, so do I. She's giving me faces, guys. Faces. All right, let's do this. See you guys in a little bit for dinner. If you got any questions, just let me know down below in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer you. Again, I'm not sponsored. This is just what we liked and what we could get for the best rate. Honestly, everybody here is a little bit old so far, but we'll have to see if that's consistent with tomorrow or not. It is Tuesday, early May 2026. Or is it Tuesday or Wednesday? It's Tuesday, early May 2026. This was just one of the good times to come when it wasn't super crowded, so that's why we're here right now. Or not super expensive or super crowded. That's it for now. Right, everybody, we're gonna be getting settled into the room. If you're the dude and you're in charge of the luggage like me, leave a comment down below. If you're the one pushing the luggage all the time, right here's our room. We're 305. See you guys in a little bit for dinner. We're gonna get settled. We're tired and hungry. Been traveling all day. Let's do it. All right, everybody, we're settled in the room now. It is 10:17. Jeez. Low washer fluid, even though I put washer fluid in it and it didn't ever work. So I don't know how it's low and I didn't break it. Darn it. Hotel is really, really cool. Really nice. I don't want to rate it yet until we take a look at the beach, access, the pool, and some other stuff in the daylight. But right now, really happy with the hotel. Easy check-in process. The room was ready to go. Really clean. No problems checking in. Sometimes there's problems checking in with these kind of beachfront hotels, but this one is cool. A lot cleaner than the surf and sand was in Pensacola. I still didn't look at how much it was a night. Figure that out for you guys soon. The only thing that I really have to complain about, and my girlfriend's gonna make fun of me for this one because she knows what I'm talking about, they really need to put a fan in the bathroom because they came in here and need to use the bathroom. There's nowhere for the smell to go. We're gonna go out and get some dinner, guys. Courtyard by Marriott. Jacksonville is pretty darn cool. We are starving, tired. See you guys at the restaurant. Let's do it.